SPSS tutorial. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of statistical analysis. In today's video, we'll be diving into the concepts of parametric and non-parametric tests using the statistical software SPSS. Whether you're a student, researcher, or simply curious about statistics, this video will provide you with a solid understanding of these test types. So, let's get started. Before jumping into the specifics of parametric and non-parametric tests, let's quickly review a statistical test. In statistics, a test is used to determine whether a hypothesis about a population is supported by the data we have collected. This is essential in making meaningful conclusions from our research. First, let's talk about parametric tests. Parametric tests assume that the data follow a specific distribution, typically the normal distribution. These tests are based on parameters such as means and variances, and they make certain assumptions about the underlying population. One popular parametric test is the t-test, which is used to compare means between two groups. On the other hand, non-parametric tests do not rely on specific assumptions about the distribution of the data. These tests are also known as distribution-free tests. Non-parametric tests are often used when the data does not meet the assumptions required for parametric tests. They are more flexible and can be applied to various situations. Examples of non-parametric tests include the Mann-Whitney U-test and the Wilcoxon-signed rank test. Now, let's see how we can perform a parametric test in SPSS. I have a dataset here with two groups, Group A and Group B. We want to compare the means of a specific variable between these two groups. To do this, we'll use the independent samples t-test. First, we open SPSS and import our dataset. Then, we go to Analyze and select Compare Means, followed by Independent Samples t-test. In the dialog box, we choose our variables, select the two groups we want to compare and click OK. Now, let's move on to non-parametric tests. Suppose we have a dataset where the assumptions of a parametric test are violated, or the data is not normally distributed. In such cases, we can turn to non-parametric tests. Let's use the Mann-Whitney U-test as an example. We go to Analyze and select Non-Parametric Tests, followed by Two Independent Samples. In the dialog box, we choose our variables and click OK. And there you have it. We have explored the concepts of parametric and non-parametric tests using SPSS. Remember, parametric tests assume specific distributions and make certain assumptions about the population, while non-parametric tests are more flexible and can be used when the data does not meet these assumptions. SPSS provides a user-friendly interface to perform these tests and analyze your data. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more statistical analysis tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy analyzing!